PSET approaches the Luthier sector with an incredible innovation dedicated to the builders and maintainers of musical instruments such as guitars and basses, a revolutionary platform that allows you to attach and operate instruments without the need for any mechanical fasteners. In this new video, I will show you how this amazing device works. Welcome to you. PSET, which has always been ready to help and partner with artisans, today also joins the Luthier sector by presenting an innovative product, a super platform that can be adapted to its position for fixing and handling musical instruments. It's a truly unique accessory of its kind, a totally new concept to compare traditional fixing systems. This new platform for fixing and maneuvering will allow you to quickly hold your instruments by one side only, leaving a large part of their surface free without the aid of a special mechanical clamps or hooks, but rather with vacuum force alone, leaving the operator maximum freedom to maneuver the instrument. A platform that supports and holds objects thanks to suction cups that can be adjusted in various positions according to the different shapes of the instrument body, from the smallest to the largest. All that needs is to connect PSET to compressed air, place the instrument on the suction cups, activate the control lever, and the piece is quickly held on the platform. From this moment on, you can begin to work on your project efficiently. All setting and maintenance work will be more comfortable and faster than ever, thanks to the extreme range of the movement of the positioner, and thanks to the fixing force of the platform, you have the freedom to be able to tilt the instrument in any direction and rotate it 360 degrees, all very quickly, always having the side and the top of the instrument free from the presence of mechanical fixing, allowing the operator to work without having to deal with the slow traditional fastening methods. The operation of the whole device is via compressed air, like the supplied by a normal compressor. The trigger for the movement of the positioner is given by a foot valve. This allows you to always have both hands free. The platform is also a unique accessory of its kind. It also works with compressed air and generates the vacuum to hold the parts. Fixing musical instruments to the work platform is very quick and allows the operator to immediately start working. The release of it is even faster. Once work is complete, just release the lever and the instrument is immediately free. This way, work becomes comfortable and ergonomic. PSET researches and develops new solutions to help professionals in every sector. PSET, change your perspective.